please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, so hopefully you've already seen the video that I did on the pickable shirts and the collaboration video. If you have not, go right now and watch it, and then come back to this video. So that video is where I created this lovely design, and you guys stated that you wanted me to show you how I created it in Canva. Y'all know we love Canva around here. So I'm literally going to show you the exact video that I made when I created the image. Alright, so go ahead and take a look, and let's get started and show you how I created this lovely design inside of Canva. If you're interested in Canva, I do have a link down below. I am an affiliate with them, and if you sign up, I do get a portion of that with no additional cost to you. So go ahead and sign up and use my link, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I got this image from Etsy, and then I went in here and went into elements and search frame. I went down to the letters, and I'm going to put back to school. I am going to search in here or search Google for leopard print, and I'm going to fill this in with leopard print. So originally I had another way I was going to do it. However, if you guys know, when you're in a creative process, sometimes things change. So yeah, this is just showing how my creative process went. Verify the sizes. You could do them however you want to do them. 1.722. So let's see. 1.4. The height is what I want to look at. 2. So I make sure everything is the height of 2. The width will be different because they're different letters. The number 2. So now I'm going to fill this in first just to see. Leopard print. And see which one I want. This one kind of matches this apple. You know, I would prefer this one. But I'll do the one that matches the apple, and I just hover over it. And that's when the game changed. It was actually a mistake it going to the back. And I thought, I actually like the background. I'm going to duplicate it and see if I make the background leopard. Right click, set background image. Actually, I think I'm going to make it the background. Yep, I think I just changed what I wanted to do. I think I'm going to do the background leopard. I like the way that looks. But I have to see what'll look good for the letters. So let's get some text out here. Let's see what will actually look good for some letters. If that's going to be the background, you want to make sure you can see it. So I think I may put a splash. Let's see. You see how you got to play around with it? Back to school. And I need something else behind that so you can see it. It's kind of too much going on. It's cute, but it's, I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about it. This is the true creative process, okay? I'm giving y'all insight of how I really create and talk to myself, okay? So don't feel bad if you feel this way, because you see I made different changes. So yeah, this is how it goes. Let's see. Back to school they go. And then I'm going to put, maybe if I make this pink. Looking back, I actually think I might have liked the orange better, but I didn't want the image to take away from the peekaboo, if that makes sense. I don't know. I like it both ways. That's the other thing about being creative. You can make different designs for different things, so it gives you that creative freedom. Let's change the font maybe. Fonts are really, really important in design. So you want to make sure you have the correct font when you're creating. Then let's go to elements. This is kind of funny. And yes, I did just laugh at myself. I'm silly. Back to school they go. So I changed the color to black so that you can see it through the peekaboo, because I knew that this would be shredded through the fabric. If it was like on a journal or different things like that, I probably would have kept it a different color. But I wanted to make sure that you would actually be able to see the design that I was creating. So those are things that you keep in mind when you're designing as well. What are you going to be putting this on? Will it be visible, etc.? And then maybe put a mom life. Mom life, hashtag mom life. Let's make this a little. So I noticed the wine glass was kind of blending in with the pink background, so I wanted to change the color so that you could actually see that it was wine, but I still wanted it to go with the theme and not be too bold. Placement, sizing, these are also things that are very, very important. I didn't want her hand to just look like it was coming out of thin air, so I wanted to try to place it in a good place. The mom life, I was playing around to see where I wanted to put that, the sizing of that. These are all things that make your designs pop. If you notice, someone can make the same thing, but depending on the design and how it looks, the font, the placement, it can look totally different. It could look really professional or not so professional. So these are things that you think about as well. Okay, I think that's it. I'm trying to make sure these colors are popping like I want. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure the colors go at least with the so either this one, we're going to delete that, or I think this one might go better. Yeah. Alright, here's the design. We did it, y'all. Mom life back to school, they go. Alright, I'm done. Yay! And that's how I made this lovely design. Now, just a few tips, as I've already stated in the video, I'm just going to run it back. You want to make sure that the fonts work well together. There are actually websites where you can check fonts to see what looks good together. You want to make sure the colors look good together. You can duplicate pages in Canva. That's what I really, really love. And then you can make one design and another design. You can even make multiple designs and then compare them all to see which one looks better. You could also use multiple designs for different projects. It's all up to you. But that is what being creative is, making sure the fonts go, the colors go, the placement is so important, the spacing in between words, different things like that are what makes your designs look so great and so professional. And you may look at something you've made, you say, something looks off. Try changing the placement, the fonts, the colors, different things like that until you get your perfect design. But yeah, I hope this was really helpful for you guys. That's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Make sure you follow me on Do Dream on TikTok and Do Dream on Instagram. And yeah, I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.